welcome back to my channel. In this channel, we learn about skincare, cosmetics and beauty. So if you're interested in that, subscribe and welcome to the gang. So in this video, we are talking about coconut oil. Today I was watching a lot of TikTok videos, right now. Oh, by the way, I have TikTok account. If you wanna follow, this is my TikTok ID. So to the point. Today I was watching a lot of TikTok videos. On the TikTok videos, they were using coconut oil in your face, face में coconut oil लगाइरहेको थियो, and that was so alarming for me. So I thought I should make a video regarding that, हैन, कि coconut oil good for your face हो कि हैन. And the answer is no, no, no. It's not good for your face, honey. And I'm going to give you a couple of reasons why you shouldn't use coconut oil in your face. And reason number 1, in comedogenic scale, it lies in number 4. And that's a lot. And what is comedogenic scale? Or what is comedogenic? त्यो थाहा नभइकन comedogenic scale मा number 4 भन्ने बित्तिकै म मान्छु भनेर भनिरहनु भयो होला. And मान्नु हुँदैन. You should not be okay with little information or with the information that you are not educated enough, right? I'm going to explain you what is comedogenic or what is comedogenic scale. Comedogenic bhaneko, it is a tendency of a product to clog your pore and give you blackhead and acne. So isko meaning say कुनै पनि product ले को ability हुन्छ, हैन. यो चाहिँ एउटा ability हो product को, जसले चाहिँ तपाईको पोरहरु ब्लक गरिदिन्छ अनि तपाईहरुलाई धेरै ब्ल्याक हेड अनि एक्ने आउने चान्सेस बढाइदिन्छ. So there are a lot of oil that are on comedogenic scale 0. अनि if you want to learn about facial oil, कुन चाहिँ facial oil कुन चाहिँ skin type को लागि राम्रो हुन्छ, maybe I'll make a different video on that. So stay tuned with that. And the reasoning number 2, it is anti-humectant. अब what is anti-humectant? Or in general, what is humectant? Honestly, humectant भन्ने चीज चाहिँ एकदमै धेरै स्किन केयर प्रोडक्टमा युज हुने टर्मिनोलोजी हो, हैन. सिम्पल वेमा humectant भनेको यस्तो प्रोडक्ट हो or यस्तो इन्ग्रेडिएन्ट हो जुन चाहिँ तपाईले लगाएपछि, हैन, उले चाहिँ के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि बाहिरबाट एयर मोलिक्युल्सहरुमा अथवा भएको मोइस्चरहरु तानेर तपाईको स्किनमा लिएर आउँछ अनि तपाईको स्किन हाइड्रेटेड मोइस्चराइज गर्छ. त्यही भएर मोइस्चराइजिङ प्रपर्टिजहरु, मोइस्चराइजिङ क्रीमहरुमा जहिले पनि humectantहरु हालेको हुन्छ. Some of the example of humectant चाहिँ के हो भन्दाखेरि तपाईको ग्लिसरीन, प्रोपेन्जियल यिनीहरु हो है. अनि and the coconut is anti-humectant. That means it does not draw moisture from the environment and does not moisturize your skin. So why are you using coconut? किनकि normally people say मैले moisturize गर्न लगाइरहेको छु, but it does not have a moisturizing property. So, and the reasoning number 3, it is irritating to someone's skin, हैन. अब we as a skin of color, we are brown people, हैन. We as a skin of color are not that sensitive खालको पनि skin हुँदैन, हैन हाम्रो. त्यही भएर we are a lot more tolerant to coconut oil. तर त्यो भन्दामा let's not avoid the general public, हैन, who is actually sensitive to coconut oil. I have seen a lot of people, हैन, who have experienced irritation and whose skin had turned into fully red color because of coconut oil, okay? And it happens in real life. And if you have not experienced it, then you're a lucky person. And maybe कसैलाई the question भइरहला के, I use coconut oil from so long and I don't experience anything. How can you say this? कसरी भन्न सक्छ कि coconut oil is not good for face? Oh, I don't believe you. Well, the answer is सबैको skin एउटै खालको हुँदैन, हैन. Everyone's skin reacts to certain thing differently, हैन. अनि but मैले general perspective मा भन्दाखेरि कुनै पनि product comedogenic scale 4 हुनु, it's not good. कुनै पनि product if you're using for moisturization and it doesn't moisturize your skin, not good. And कुनै पनि product that has highly chances of irritating your skin, not good. So if it is working for you, you must have the skin, हैन, just जुन चाहिँ lot more tolerant छ, हैन, जुन चाहिँ अन्त जुन चाहिँ हाइली कमेडोजेनिक प्रडक्ट युज गर्दाखेरि पनि त्यति इफेक्टहरू नदेखाउन सक्छ होइन, बिकज नट एभ्रीबडिज पोर आर सिमिलर. तर मैले जेनरल पर्सपेक्टिभमा भनिरहेको छु. एन्ड इफ यु थिङ्क इट वर्क्स फर यु, use it. If you enjoyed learning about skincare, cosmetics and beauty, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell up, and you would be notified when I upload new video, which I'm gonna do it a lot because I enjoy doing it. And till then, stay beautiful and stay young, and I love you all. So mwah!